Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw numbers 1 to 20. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, blue color, yellow color, black color and green color. Kids, now draw numbers and first state of 1 and here is red color. O and E1. Kids, again use red color and draw 2. T W 2 3. T H R W 3. Kids, again use red color and draw 4. F O U R 4. 5. F I V E 5. Kids, night of 6. The numbers of 6 and here is blue color. Blue color. S I X 6. 7. S E V E and 7. Kids, again use blue color and draw 8. E I T H T 8. 9. N I N E 9. Kids, again use blue color and draw 10. T E and 10. Kids, now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and here is yellow color. Yellow color. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids, now to 16. The numbers of 16 and here is black color. Black color. 17. The numbers of 17. Kids, again use black color and draw 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. Kids, again use black color and draw 20. The last numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.